Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to insert section break. So if you want to insert section breaks, you can go to layout and you can click on breaks drop down menu. So be sure for the section break option. You can set for the next page, continuous, even page and auto page. As example, I will click at this point and then you can click the section break like next page. It will be create the new next page. You can create again, like I will click at this point and you can click the breaks option. Now you can choose like continuous, you can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to insert section break. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.